clips, the singer used to come out with this bondage harness on. They should have made it a lot bigger.
Something didn't translate all the way up to the next level.
I don't know what happened. Why did they just fall off the radar? I really have no idea.
The Dunsman later changed their names to Spinal Tap. They had a couple of nice-sized hits. They're currently residing in the Where Are They Now file. Johnny Q with you on Golden 106, and right after we drop you.
Man, being 51 and doing this is a real commitment.
Okay, these guys are in their 50s, and he's got another band that's here. These guys are in their 20s.
I mean, who wants to be a fucking 45-year-old rock and roller farting around in front of people less than half their age?
Down, 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 the thumb hang, down, down.
Fuck, we should be doing that again.
And I'm waiting for that train to bring you back,
Plugged in permanent, absolutely no alternative, speed of sound, plenty of power, still going strong and back to basic.
The Gospel According to Spinal Tap, intravenous to Milo. Shark Sandwich, which was merely a 2-word review, just said, shit sandwich.
Where'd they print that? Where'd they print that? That's not real, is it? You can't print that.
Anyway, I meet this guy in my biology class, and he goes, hey, man, I'm going to get this guy, Rob Reiner. He lives over at the corner of Yeomans.
I wanted to capture the sights, the sounds, the smells of a hard-working rock band on the road.
Now, let me read some lyrics from a song called Toe Jam by the group Anvil. Dig a little deeper, hip your partner, make her shout, back to front, side to side. Tip your cap and come inside.
Listen, they don't like the cover.
I mean, what's
You
offensive?
put a greased, naked woman on all fours
Yes.
with a dog collar
With a dog
around her
collar.
neck and a leash.
And a leash.
It's all a joke, isn't it? I mean, we're making
Well,
fun.
it is and it
We're
isn't.
making
She should
fun
be
of that
made
sort of
smelling,
thing, you
but
know. Not, you know, over and over
Listen,
again.
Rock and roll! Rock and roll! Let's get it! No, this way. Straight rock and roll! Rock and roll! There we go! Hello, Cleveland! Hello, Cleveland!
Voila, Anvil CDs, man. Wow, this is 13.
What do you think?
Is this the test pressing?
No, this is it. Yes,
This
that's
is
right.
Smell the Glove by Spinal Tap. When you go to the
Smell
store,
the glove.
Emma, I'm sorry, it's not my language, porcodillo. It's ash, like hotel, like ass.
You were screwed. You had a shit manager.
In perfect time. It's me, Mr. The train, I have to pay the double.
No, we're not getting fucking paid.
One word. 2 words. 3 words. We haven't got good management.
woman carrying about with me.
If I told them once, I told them 100 times to put Spinal Tap first and Puppet Show last.
We're going to the Air Force Base.
Why are we going to an Air Force base?
Because the original gig fell through.
The numbers all go to 11. Look, right across the board. 11, 11,
and most of
11, and
the
then
amps go up to 10.
Exactly.
Merlin did it.
Merlin did it, or either that or Satan was running all across the countryside and he dropped a few stones, right? He's high, man. He's drinking or something.
Let's hear your suggestion.
Stonehenge.
Stonehenge. It's the
What
best
about it?
production value we've ever had on stage.
But we haven't got the equipment. We
Not
haven't
yet,
got
we
Stonehenge.
don't.
Anyway, the place is jam fucking packed.
Working on a sex farm, plowing through your bean field.
unprofessional what we are going through right now. It's fucking, it's sad.
We're going to pull through this with great aplomb.
Yeah.
And it's someone not
It's
got
so
one.
clear,
No,
it really
Nigel
is.
hasn't got one.
It's so
Here you go.
clear,
Nigel,
you know.
Nigel, we've got pages for you here.
Well, he's got one.
Now,
They're like brothers. I mean, it would be. I think it would be like split and Siamese twins, really. They've just always been very tight.
But closer than brothers. Because brothers always fight, sort of disagreements and all that. And we really have a relationship that's way, way past that.
I don't know what you want. What do you want? You sit here all fucking day pouting. It's crap. You're causing disruption. Let it all out. You fucking listen to me, you fucking asshole. He's fired. I mean, what can I say?
You can't fucking concentrate because your fucking wife. Simple as that, all right? It's your fucking wife.
She's not my wife.
Well, whatever the fuck she is.
We shan't work together again.
You have got many fans in Japan, yeah.
But if you have a chance to go to Japan, maybe next time, then you should do it.
We just got a gig in Japan. I'm serious, man.
Seems that Sex Farm is on the charts in Japan. He asked me to ask you if you'd be interested in doing a tour Japan.
The music lasts forever. Maybe the debt does too, but the bottom line is the music lasts forever, and that's the art, and that's the most important thing.
Do you feel that playing rock and roll music keeps you a child? That is, keeps you in a state of arrested development?
No, I feel it's more like going to a national park or something, and there's, they preserve the moose. And that's my childhood up there on stage, is that moose, And
so when you're playing, you feel like a preserved moose on stage?
Yeah.